Okay, guys, so welcome to my screen again. In this tutorial, as I said earlier, I'm going to show you the four. The last one is actually a bonus. I don't need to tell you that, but I have taken the chance to talk about that one too. So these are the customer journeys that you need to take your customers through before they become your customers. Okay, you can start your ad with a straight conversion objective, but if your product is new on the market, you need to gather audience, you need to treat that audience very well, and then you need to take them to your sales page or your landing page for them to do the purchase. So without wasting much time on this tutorial, I'm using a Microsoft Word. So I have listed these few steps over here that is going to help us. This few outline. I have outlined these few steps over here so that we can understand what the customer journeys are. So as the heading over here says, the three customer journeys to get more sales continuously online. So this strategy will actually get you more sales online than any other strategy if your product is new. And if even your product is not new, it's always good to gather new leads if you've been running ads since day one. It is very important for you to always get new leads and also get new customers, audience, and other stuff. So, without wasting much time, your first ad objective, oops. So, your first ad objective, okay, your first ad objective is to be brand awareness or reach. So, even Facebook recommends that we start our campaign with an ad objective, whether our product is new or not. So, brand objectives will help you gather leads, help you show your product to people and say, hey, this is my business, this is my product, I'm located here, I have a mobile app, I have a website, this is what we do. Take a chance and look at our website, or take a chance and look at our app or our landing page or wherever that you want to send those people to. So, this is about telling people that your business is alive. Okay, it's very very important. It will help you get a lot of conversions. Later on, but it will help you get a lot of leads, a lot of data, a lot of custom um, audience to carry on with their consideration. Okay, so the consideration part is very, very important too. It is helping you tell um, the audience that you've acquired here the need for them to purchase your product. So here you are telling people how better your product is over your competitors. So if you are selling a baby food, if you are selling cosmetics, if you are selling t-shirts, okay, you need to tell people that your product is top quality than your competitors. And if even you are supposed to list the competitors, I bet you do that. Okay, I think you have to do that because this stage is very, very crucial. This ad objective is very, very crucial. You need to give more information about your product, also convince and tell your audience to consider buying your product. And after you've done this, this is where the money comes in. I love this part. This is where you actually input your catalog product, or you place the link to the offer or your product or your website for them to actually make the purchase, actually download your software or download your app and start using it. So this is where the money comes in. You make the money here. So at this stage, you have to make sure that your landing page is on point, your sales page is on point. Your customers' credit card numbers, your PayPal emails will be safe. Make sure that the security here is very very tight, and then this is where the money comes in. Okay, so this is very simple. You can usually do this in my next video. It's actually going to be series. I'm going to show you how you can do brand awareness, ad campaigns, how you can do your consideration, lead generation, and other stuffs, and also how you can set up your conversion objective, campaign objective. And after they've made a purchase, okay, after they've made a purchase, you can take them to a thank you page. So this is the last fourth journey that I was talking to you about. This is actually a bonus tip. You don't need to do this, but I recommend that you do it. Okay, so thank your customers and show them other products they will need. Okay, so after you've thanked them, you might also introduce a very good product, a very good app, or a very good offer that they would like. Okay, so this is a brief pictures of how you can literally do this. Okay, so raise up your hands, tell people, hey, your brand is alive, brand awareness, and tell people about your brand. And also you make them think about your product, make them consider buying it urgently, and then cash in, let them pull up their Visa card, their credit card, their PayPal emails, start buying from you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This video was very short. I didn't plan to make this video long, and also to save time. I know you guys are busy today and you would like to do other stuff too. So thank you for watching this video once again, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I promise I'm going to be consistent with recording, and also give you guys more value, and also stick with you guys all the time so that nobody steals you away from me. Okay, so share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and also don't forget to give your suggestions. I'll read every single comment that you put down there, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you.